May 17th, 1999.
Okay, good. Is it, you want me to put on the light? Come on. Calm down. We're gonna show Andy your new trick. Come on, you're gonna be on video here. Ready? Ready? No, get on the step. Sit down. Ready? No. Sit down. Okay, come on. Come on over here. Good. Oh! He landed in the box and down. He's so good. Want to do it again?
Wait 1 second.
Okay, calm down. He's so hungry. He's so hungry. See here, look. Oh, I was going to put the little finger here so they look at the camera. Okay, come over here. Ready? Look, I have worms. He's pissed off. He's thinking, well, will he give me something? Good one! You landed right in my hand. You're so smart. Yeah, okay. And you didn't eat any of the bird food. Yeah, they're in there. You ready? Ready for a worm? Yeah? Here we go. Okay.
And try to get him to fly one more time.
You ready?
I'm ready.
Whoa. Just see going. Okay. Ready? Here's a worm. He's like, I don't think so. I see this guy with this camera. He's looking at you. Hey, look here. Bird. Little bird. Little bird. Little bird. Little bird. Little bird. Come on, little bird. Come on, little bird. Come on. He's not going to come now. Come on, little bird. Come on, little bird. Come on, little bird. Maybe you could scare him.
Go.
Come on, little bird.
Go. Go that way. He bit me.
I thought you were going to feed him.
Go on.
Come on. Okay, come here. Come here. Will you at least come this far? Huh? Will you come this far? No, you're not going to even come this far, are you? Here.